user portal is the user's interface for your phone system. By way of the user portal, you'll be able to manage conference calls, manage parked calls, review call history, manage faxes and voicemail, and monitor and pick up calls from other extensions. Here's how it works. The user portal should be enabled automatically for your extensions. When creating new extensions, make sure to check the 5 boxes that enable the user portal, and enable the voicemail as well. To configure the user portal, go to User Portal Settings. This is where you configure your user's permissions for the user portal. Connected users will show you who's logged in on your user portal. The dashboard server will tell you if the dashboard is up or down. The reset button will restart the dashboard. This is a common first step in troubleshooting if your dashboard is behaving abnormally. To the right, you'll see a list of extensions. You can click one of them to configure the user portal settings for that extension. You have 2 methods by which you can access the user portal: the app or the web interface. To log in using the app, you must first input the web domain of your system as the host name. Once you've done that, you are able to log in as normal. Your username will be your extension, and the password will be the password for your voicemail. The dashboard shows the statuses of other users and extensions. Here, you'll be able to manage parked calls, see active calls, as well as send messages to other users and groups of users. You'll also be able to monitor phone calls, pick up phone calls, and send SMS messages. Voicemail is where they can listen to or modify their messages, as well as change a personalized voicemail greeting. Faxing will show the user's fax inbox where they can view and download any received faxes, as well as send faxes outbound in the PDF format. Call history will allow you to view a user's history of previous calls, user portal messages, and SMS messages. Phone book will allow you to maintain a list of contacts. Settings will allow you to configure the user portal even more. And that is how you configure the user portal within your Freevoice PBX.